Okay. So my name is Shachi Khemuka. I will be your teacher for this course. I'm from Nagpur and I'm a yoga instructor and I'm a face yoga teacher also. Okay, so that is my introduction. Let's start with you all, introduction of your all. Today, very small introduction. I need your name, which city you live, you are from, and what you do right now. Okay, so we will start with Deepika Jain. How are you, Deepika? Please unmute.
Yes, yes, I'm good, ma'am. My name is Deepika Jain. I'm from Indrapuram, NCR, Delhi, and I'm a nutritionist and aerobic instructor.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Mr.
Thank you.
Roger Rajkumar Mahalakshmi, sorry. Yes. Please unmute yourself, sir. Unmute yourself. You have to click on the mic button. Okay, till then we will take Amit Bhadoria.
Okay. Yes, I'm
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm Roger Rajkumar. I am from Tamil Nadu, from Tiruchirappalli. And I'm just interested to join. And also I live in China, also in Shanghai.
Okay. Oh, that's great to hear. Thank you so much for joining us, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Amit Bhadoria, please unmute.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Can you hear
Good
me?
evening. Yes, I can. Please continue.
Yeah. Actually, I am also a yoga instructor. I have done masters in yoga, and my passion is new things start for yoga.
Very well, very well. So good to hear that. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Dharmendra ji.
नमस्कार एवरीवन।
नमस्ते।
आ रही है?
हाँ जी, आ रही है आवाज। गुड।
अच्छा, नमस्कार एवरीवन। नमस्कार। मैं बॉम्बे से बोल रहा हूँ, धर्मेंद्र जोशी, योगा टीचर एंड एक्यूप्रेशर थेरेपिस्ट।
Okay. Oh, very nice to hear you. Thank you so much. Priya V, are you there?
Yeah, yes. Hi, I'm Priya. I'm from Chennai. I'm running a business, digital marketing.
Yeah, I've muted him. Yeah, tell me.
So I'm Priya. I'm from Chennai. I run a business, digital marketing. So taking care of Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube ads.
Okay, so digital marketing, how come in yoga?
I'm just interested in to take care of my under eye circle and other stuff. So if I learn, I can help others also, right? So that's it.
Okay. All right. Great to hear that, Priya. Welcome. All right. Varsha Kumar. हाँ जी। नहीं आवाज आ रही। आवाज नहीं आ रही वर्षा जी।
Now, ma'am,
हाँ जी।
is
Yes.
it audible?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I'm Varsha from Hyderabad. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a yoga instructor, but I wanted to upgrade my skills in face yoga so that I
Definitely.
can earn little more. Yeah, I wanted to establish myself in this field. As after
Definitely.
Corona hit,
Very well.
everything gone down. So I wanted to rebuild my career, and through this
Okay.
new phase of my life.
Very good.
So I
Very good
think
to
this
hear
will
that. I'm
definitely help
also a
me.
post-corona yoga teacher. Corona has hit us hard in terms of health. So everybody has now understood about the health importance. Welcome. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Preeti
ma'am.
Korwal.
Health and wealth. Health and
Health
wealth
as well.
also.
Yes.
Hi, I'm
Preeti
Preeti.
Korwal.
Yeah.
Hi.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm from Jaipur and I'm an interior designer.
Okay. Great to hear that. I did my master's from Jaipur.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Mehnaz Fatima, are you there? Please switch on your cameras, whoever can.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. My name is
Good.
Mehnaz Fatima, and I'm an assistant manager in network marketing, and also I'm a beautician.
Okay, I understand that. Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Next is somebody is telling me the video is stuck. Everyone can see me and listen to me. Yeah, thank you. Please check your internet connection, Varsha ji. All right. Next is Sheetal Hande.
Yes, ma'am. I'm currently actually traveling by bus, so can't join the video.
No
Myself,
problem.
Sheetal Hande. I'm from Pune. I'm also a yoga instructor.
Okay. All right. Got it. Thank you so much, Sheetal. Gandhi Mathi. I'm so sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Sorry. Yeah.
Yes, that's me. Good evening, ma'am. I am from Gandhimudi from Chennai. I am a homemaker. I have been learning yoga for the last 6 months. So in that face yoga session is there, so I am interested in it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much. Welcome. Okay. B. Rakesh Raj. B. Rakesh Raj, are you here? Where did it go? Okay. No. But the pictures keep moving. I can't find anyone else. Okay, Krutika Puttaswamy.
Bangalore. I run an NGO.
Okay,
I
thank you.
look after an NGO. I have an NGO.
All right.
Audible?
Hi, Kritika. Good to hear that. Nice. Yes. Okay, thank you, Kritika. Randhir Thakur. Randhir Thakur, are you here? Okay, next is Dilsha. Yes. Hi. Hello.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Dilsha from Kerala. Hi, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Hi. Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am,
Please
I'm
continue.
Dilsha from Kerala.
Yes.
I'm a housewife. Presently, I'm a housewife. Basically, I'm a BSc nurse. I worked abroad and somewhere else.
There is some network issue, Dilsha, but I understood.
And now I'm housewife
Okay, fine. Thank you for
and
joining
a
us.
yoga instructor too.
Okay, great. Thank you for joining us. Next is
Okay.
Priya. Priya, who just joined with the boycott hair.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. This is Priyadashini, a yoga teacher, and I'm so obsessed in face yoga because I learned it somewhere and like not as a professional. I did workshops or I started working on it and it changed a lot in my face and everything. So I want to keep it as like just for me, not for teaching others, just for me.
Okay. Oh, great to get and hear that. All right. So I think we are done with the introduction for the people who have joined today. We have more people in the group. I think they will join later. Oh, one more, Kiran. Are you here? Hi, Kiran. Please introduce yourself. Hello. Okay, fine. I'll continue with the sessions today. So this is the first session, kind of a webinar. I will mostly give you the introduction of the course and everything. And then in the end, definitely we will do a little bit of practice also. So your main classes will start from the Monday. All right. About the face yoga, let me just tell you, it's face yoga, but it just does not, it only does not contain the face. It includes the face, neck and shoulders also. So the exercises and massages and skincare routine, whatever is included in the face yoga, we are going to tell you. It's all about the face, the neck and shoulder area. It's all about toning, firming, with all the toning, firming and anti-aging exercises. Basically, it is anti-aging, and face yoga is all about lifting your face and wrinkles and everything. Because of the increasing age, we get signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles and sagging skin and more deeper lines, on the face. So this is all about what we are going to learn to how to handle these. Definitely increasing age is something we cannot stop it. That is a natural phenomena. It is going to happen with everyone. We can just because of the with the help of face yoga, how we can just delay the signs of aging, and whatever happens with our face and skin. So we want to delay it, the bad things, and the wrinkles and the fine lines and everything, and how we can take care of our skin and face and shape of the face. How, if you want to narrow down the face, we have exercises for that. If you want to plump up your face, we have exercises for that. Okay, increasing blood circulation is the main important thing what everybody needs on their skin to get a good skin. Okay, so what all these things. Skincare routine, we also tell, because this is face yoga, everybody is interested in the skincare also. How do we take care of skincare? So that's a major question to everyone. So we include skincare also, a proper anatomy, what is skin, what are the layers of the skin, how many numbers of the skin, what is peeling solutions, what are serums, moisturizers, toners, everything. How do you use it? What is the sequence? How many times a day you should use these things? So these all things are taught in the course so that you get a good skin also. Other than teaching all these things, we practice this every day. So we will be practicing the skincare also every day, and exercises and massages sometimes once or twice a week, so that you get some kind of results and effects after the end of the course. So this is how the course is very well defined. Other than the skincare routine, exercises and massages, the topics which are included in the course is nutrition, how you should be taking your nutrition for good health and good skin, of course. Then detoxification, some asanas, some pranayams for very good health and good condition, good skin also. Then what is the relaxation process? What is the different kinds of relaxation processes? What are the little bit of knowledge of the massages? How what are different kinds of massages are there? That is actually massage therapy. I will be telling you only a little bit about types of massages which mainly are done in the whole body. On face, generally what we do is 2 times of main massages, that is lifting massage to lift the sagging skin, and drainage massage to drain the lymphatic fluid buildup on the face and nearby areas. So these are the 2 main massages what we are going to do in the on the face also. Okay, so every day majorly we will be doing the skincare routine. In first 2 days I will I will explain you everything about the skincare routines. If you want, you can buy new products. If you want, you can carry on with your own regular products what you already use, that also. There is no necessity, no compulsion of buying anything from the market. You can actually continue with whatever you have already. So other type of topics include in face yoga, you must have come across so many types of tools in the market, face massage tools, right? So there are so many types of massage tools. Just for an example, right now I'm not I'm just showing you what type of tools. We will be having a complete session on what are the serums, what are different kinds of tools like cups, rollers, gua shas, where is my other tool? So there are so many tools. I sometimes miss it because my daughter takes it away, but this is acupressure tool and the face collagen roller. So all these type of tools are there. If you want, you can buy it from your nearby market or online market, and so on. And if it is not necessary, no tool is necessary. If you don't have any tool, we can do the massage with our very own kitchen tablespoons also. So there is no necessity of anything, buying anything from the market, that, after joining the course, you are spending more on tools and cosmetics also. There is nothing like that. My duty is to tell you what all works on the face and for skin and skincare routine. It depends on you whether you buy it or not. So these are all the topics we will be covering in the whole session. Okay, so before starting the proper session, I will tell you on the WhatsApp group, we will tell you everything about the study material also. the recordings will be provided to you within 24 hours. So I'm already telling you within 24 hours, you will get the recording. So please don't keep on asking, where is the recording? Where is the recording? Because the class is 8 to 9 p.m. After that, I also need rest. And then from morning, I have back-to-back classes. So within 24 hours, you will get the recording of the class. Okay. We will try to, the recording will be in the form of YouTube link. So we upload these recordings in the on Shubh Yoga web YouTube channels. So because these classes are recording, we are already informing you that you all will be there in the recording. So if anybody has any problem regarding their recording, please talk to the admin. Okay. Also, the study material will be given to you on the WhatsApp only. WhatsApp group, all the study material, all the pictures, the PDFs, the recordings, everything will be provided on the WhatsApp group. My request to you all that please take it from there and save it on your systems, mail it to yourself so that you do not, get it is not saving the PDFs does not get delayed, because there are so many PDFs. After 10 days, if you're asking me the PDF for the first class, it is very difficult for a teacher to go again and recheck what all PDFs I have given and, to resend all these PDFs. For any new joinee in the WhatsApp group, if they ask, I request everyone to please take a little step yourself. If there is any new one joining and she or he is asking about the PDF, if you all have saved your PDFs and study material, please forward it on the WhatsApp group again. Help each other in your WhatsApp group only. So in future also you will be helping each other, and you can get, contacts and, save your all the contacts, because we have yoga instructors, we have acupuncture specialists, we have different kinds of digital marketing. So all these people can help each other in the future also. So for 1 month, because we should live as a family and a class, help each other and all such type of initiations, I request to you all to take it. Also, between the class, if in the class going on, we will be taking one topic a day, proper skincare routine or exercises every day, massages sometime, depending on the skin type, because that is why we can't take massage every day. So I need every one of you to keep your mics on mute. If there is any emergency question, please raise your hand if your camera is on. And if it is not on, you can just press the hand raise icon. It is there on the screen only. Somewhere you have just to find it on the Zoom. So I will see whose hand is raised, and after completing my topic or sentence, I will give you a chance. Otherwise, daily last 5 to 10 minutes, we will have question answer round. I will take everybody's question so that we are not linger on or piling up questions, everyone. So we have daily question answers round for that particular day. Okay, there will be no lack in that. So you all will have a chance to ask the questions, and I will take questions as many as possible. Fine. So this is about the yoga or face yoga class. And also, like, because many people have very much, skepticism, or there is a kind of doubt that, how face yoga works. I'll just try to tell you through some presentations, 2 or 3. Give me 5 minutes, and then we can start with the practices also. So, just showing you some pictures and how, in our daily classes we work, and in celebrities also, like, in world, how many people are using face yoga actually, and they are getting benefit from this. So this is one of our old clients from the class also only. So within 1 month of the course, she had got that much difference. 1 month Okay, so you start getting results and start seeing the effects of face yoga when you do it regularly. We try to tell you a complete schedule also, how you do and how you start doing it to get very good results and faster results. So if you stick to the routine and you do a regular exercise, like any exercise needs a regularity, face yoga also needs a regularity. Okay, and especially the skincare routine also. So if you become regular in your exercises, any type of exercises, there is nobody in the world who can stop you from getting the results. So these are some of the results what we get. Okay, this is blackheads, whiteheads. So we will tell you about, how to get rid of them. This is Deepika Padukone. She is also a face yoga practitioner, and the beauty. Okay, everyone is vouching for her beauty. This is Meera Rajput Kapoor. She is herself a practitioner as well as a face yoga instructor as well, and she teaches on videos and reels, and she's like that. So she also vouches for her skin and face skincare routine and face glow for the face yoga, about the face yoga thing. So these are some things. These are some things about the acupressure points on the skull, the mama point. So we will be telling you about the acupressure also. In outside India, in Hollywood, this is Jennifer Lopez, the world famous actress and singer. And can you imagine, she's around 50s, in her mid 50s. Still looks so young, and her skin, this is her no makeup skin right now, like very early in the morning, 4 to 5. She has put some kind of rule. She also vouches for face yoga exercises as well as affirmations. So she is a very good believer, very big believer in affirmations also. So this is something we all should we all will be looking at. So what type of exercises for every type of face shape, every type of face problem, how you can narrow it down. If you want, you can get a little bit of inner cheeks also, how you can chisel your jawline, how you can, like, shape your neck. What are all exercises in anatomy? We will try to tell you what are the skin layers, number of layers, what are the muscles, where all different types of muscles. In face, we have more than 47, 57 type of muscles are there, and they are overlapped. They are not in one plane, they are overlapped. So what are the muscles of mastication? Mastication means chewing. When we chew the food, that is one of the kind of face yoga exercises only. So you should always chew from both the sides so that you get exercise evenly on both the sides of faces. So this is something small things we try to tell you, which in general we do, but we are not actually realizing that we can actually get benefit from these type of daily routine also, right? So something about hair. What is the hair routine? What is the hair look like under microscope? What are the layers of, there is a layer of hair also, 2-3 layers of hair in hair strands also. So what is protein? What is hair follicle? How it gets nourishment from your food, or how it gets nourishment from the artificial things you get done in keratin treatment or cysteine treatment in the parlor. So all these things majorly we have like designed the course with small information, too much of study, taken PDFs and study material from here and there, and lots of books and study material, whatever we could gather for our students. So this is how something about the face yoga course and classes. Okay. Will you teach about business also? Varsha Kumar is asking. So we are actually not having the marketing class, but we will be having the class setup class. Like as a yoga instructor or face yoga instructor, how, in what type of patterns you can arrange your classes. Marketing is something, it's digital marketing. You have to learn it either, or you have to learn it yourself and go. I can little bit tell you about my experience, what you can do for, getting more business and more and more business, and how to project yourself outside. Definitely. But then these things you have to learn yourself. Okay. So yes, we will be having class setup class also, how to set up the classes. And what else? Is there any more questions about the course? Is there any more questions about anything? Or we can start with the practice. Okay, you can put it down in your chat box. I will take the questions from there. We will take two, three exercises right now. So you understand what type of exercises we will be doing. There are so many exercises. So we will be taking few sets of exercises, 1 or 2 set of exercises, different exercises for cheeks, different exercises for eye areas, different for jawline, different for neck area. So all these exercises are there, majorly 30-40 exercises. So we will be completing it in the duration of around 10-15 days, every topic and all the exercises and massages. And then after that, we will have enough time for practice. So last 8 to 10 days are always practice, lots and lots of practice. So you understand what type. We will take faces from the class only, you know, different faces. We will take an instructor, a client kind of thing. So you understand how to take your clients, you know, what questions to ask and how to go ahead with your future classes. So all these things will be done. Okay, we will take at least 2-3 exercises right now, and then I can take questions. First exercise, which is a general exercise for everyone. So this is a strengthening exercise for the cheeks. Okay, so we all will do. First exercise is called as wow pose. So you have to move your lips as if you're speaking wow. Like this. So keep on doing this around 20-30 times right now. Speed doesn't matter. You can do it speedily or a little slowly as you wish. Okay. So we will be having exercises for asymmetrical face also. One side you have a flat face, one side you have a chubby face. So that is called an asymmetric face. So how you can manage the asymmetry, that also. Continuing doing this exercise, please. And this course will be in English, and the PDF and study material will be in English too. So this exercise works as the squats, strengthening exercise for your cheeks. As we do squats, sitting and up, standing up, sitting down and standing up for the legs, and that is a strengthening exercise. This exercise works as squats for your cheeks. So this is a general exercise everyone should do to shape your cheeks and face. This works on the cheeks, jawline area also. And I understand everybody might be working or traveling at this time, but I request everyone, whoever can at whatever time and day, please switch on your cameras, because when I'm teaching exercise, I can see who is doing in what manner. I can only correct the people whom I can see. I cannot correct you if I'm not seeing you. Bella is asking, face yoga for 1 month only course. Yes, this is 1 month course, around 24 sessions, 24 classes. Yes, you should do this every day, twice a day. And double chin, any effect? Yes, double chin will be gone. If you do it regularly, within 3 months, double chin will be gone. I'll try to find my picture or somebody's picture. Let's see. Okay, take a break. Relax, everyone. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. I'm just finding 1 or 2 pictures. Okay, I'm not finding exactly what picture. I'll show you in the next session, but this picture you can have a look. This is also from the last batch, this girl. This is the effect in 1 month course. Okay, this is the before picture. This is after 1 month course. So if you can see the major change in the jawline area. It has been sharpened. The chin has been sharpened and this has been reduced, the jowls. So if you do it regularly, religiously every day, you will start seeing the results within 1 month. And depends, of course, like any exercise, it depends on what type of face you also have. If it is too much bulky and round face, definitely, because there is provision of doing, of getting some changes and effort, you will start seeing the changes. If you already have a perfect face, there is nothing much to do on your face, so you will see less results, definitely. So this is something about every type of exercise. Okay, next type of exercise we will do for our neck, the double chin exercise for the double chin. This exercise exactly hits on the under chin, this area, to reduce this flab. So double chin and turkey neck, these two are different things. Okay. So for this exercise is called as jaw dropping. You just have to drop your jaw down and up. Again, around 30 times, please. Yes, we have different exercises for eyes also. And when we lose, Varsha is asking, when we lose weight, we lose muscles also, we look old, what to do? Yes, so we have to change the exercise. When you lose weight, the skin and muscles lose down and the skin starts sagging. That time you have to start doing the strengthening exercise. It's a general notion. It's a general thing you have to know about the body as well as the face. So when you lose weight anywhere in the body, you have to start doing the strengthening exercise to tighten your muscles and skin. This is jaw dropping. Around 20-30 times, please. First is wow pose and second is jaw dropping. Okay. All right, relax everyone. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One second. Okay, so what happens when why I give you all these breaks and breathe in and breathe out? Because what happens, face yoga is sometimes, for many people, it is a new thing. We generally don't we are not used to of doing these exercises daily. So like any new thing, when you start doing the exercise on these areas, you get sometimes uncomfortable. So you can't keep on doing the exercise for 10-15 minutes straight away. It might give you some kind of cramp, or you might start giving, taking pain or getting pain. So we always, after one round of any one exercise, we take a break. We try to relax the muscles. We try to take deep breath. And sometimes what happens when I'm telling you to do the exercise, many people don't realize that they have stopped breathing, because there will be holding exercise. So the pose has to be held. We don't have to hold our breath. So this is something, we all realize a little later, after 2-3 days, when we start doing practice regularly. So always try to take break between or any type of different exercises, and then start a different round. It hardly takes 1 minute to do a round of exercise, one round of exercise. Even if we are doing 50 rounds, 50 steps, 50 counts of one exercise, it doesn't take more than 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, take a deep breath and relax everyone. third exercise is okay. Third exercise is for all the people, but so that is why I'm not giving an advanced one. So this is to chisel the jawline also, and this is to reduce the cheeks also. So this is normal pout, what we all do while taking a selfie, right? So only a little pout. Just try to reach your pout a little farther. So that's how you cheese. So what happens? See, this is my side face. I will tell you how a pout works on the jawline. So this is when I'm keeping my face normal. So this is my jawline. Okay. Now, see. So this is how it works on your bone structure. Also, when I'm talking about the bone structure, so these face yoga exercises, skincare routine, massages, it is all lifting and toning and firming exercise. It works on your skin and muscles. It never works on your bone structure. So when you have a particular type of bone structure, the shape will remain the same. We can only change and tone the muscles. We cannot change the shape of the bone. So whatever basic genetic structure you have, that will not be changed. So that is why I'm telling you it beforehand, because many people, what they expect with face yoga are complete face shape. Like from round, we should become, the angular jawline, how we can get there. So that's not possible. If your jawline is curved, it will stay curved. If your bone structure is curved. If it is angular, you will get that angular jawline. Okay. So for second exercise is third exercise, well, you have to hold this pose, but keep breathing. Keep breathing, hold it for 10-15 seconds. Take a break, relax. After every 10-15 seconds, again, relax your muscles, and we will do it for at least 5 rounds. Repeat. Relax. Just if you start getting pain, you can just relax your muscles. Relax, breathe. Again. Okay, relax everyone. Take a deep breath. Within 1 or 2 seconds, you all can again repeat this exercise. I'll take questions. Yes, Dharmendraji?
Ma'am, this exercise you keep thing inside is good or bad?
This is another advanced pout. We will tell you everything about the different parts and different kinds of same exercises. This is good
Is it
only,
good?
but it is, yes, it goes in. That is another exercise like pout. What I am doing is a normal for normal face people. Normal pout. What you are doing is a fish pout.
Right. When I first time you cut, it goes inside also both.
Automatically. No, you do it a little lighter.
Yeah. Lighter.
Little, yeah. Yes. So this is a
Get
normal pout.
lighter than the inside also goes.
Yeah, that's okay. This much is okay because you already have a sleek face. That's what it does to your face.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Mrs. Wife is talking Hindi also.
Yeah. No problem. I can speak in Hindi also. Not a problem, but this is an
Okay.
English batch.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Okay, next is we will take questions from the chat box. Priya V is asking, in case we like to buy the tools. See, we will tell you all about the tools, everything. You get them online also. You get them in the market nearby also. I am not going to tell you the brand name for anything, for any serum, moisturizer, toner, whatever, oils, whatever. We will be looking about the oils about also. But I am not going to tell you about the oil. We will be telling you about the ingredients, what you need, because what happens, one brand might suit my skin. That brand is not necessarily it will suit your skin. So, and it is ethically and like the marketing wise, it's not correct, because these are sessions are recorded. Any brand can take any kind of objection on our classes, because we are providing the brand name. So we are not taking any brand names, we are not suggesting any brand. You can try and test whatever you are using already. If it suits your skin, that's the best thing, not to do experiment with your skin also. Okay, so we will be telling you all about the names of the products, ingredients of the products, and names of the tools, but you all can buy it yourself, whatever brand you want to buy. Okay, next question is under eye pigmentation, face yoga. Yes, everything. We will be telling you about each and every centimeter and millimeter of the face and neck, what all exercises works on different areas of the face and neck. Also, Amitabh ji is asking about the hair care. Yes, we have a session for hair care also.
Ma'am, another one question. The
Yes.
face yoga is connecting to organ also? Body
Face
part
yoga,
organ?
body parts, no, that's acupressure. On the face, we have an acupressure session also. So on the face, some points are definitely they represent some organs in the base or body also. But as such, face yoga is all about toning and forming your face, lifting your skin. So we are not actually doing a whole body exercise and toning and firming of the whole body. It's restricted to your neck, upper neck face thing.
It connect to the body also, the face yoga part?
No, sir. Acupressure points are connected to the body organs. Yes.
Okay.
Face yoga exercises will not give you any results on your other body parts and organs. Only the face.
Face. Okay.
Yes. Okay. All right. Any more questions? Please raise your hands for other questions. Pigmentation is major issue in women. Yes, pigmentation is major issue, but you have to look why you have pigmentation. Why do you have acne? Why do you have these type of problems? There are reasons for it. So you need to work on the root cause, not on the superficial. Pigmentation can be with serum and different kinds of skincare routine. It can be gone. But if it is an underlying problem like PCOD, PCOS, some kind of stress, cholesterol, because of which pigmentation is there, you need to address that problem. So we will tell you of different kinds of pigmentation and acne areas. Why do you get acne on the jawline? Why do you get acne on the cheeks, on the forehead? So there are different root causes for that. Okay. So all type of information from our side, we will try to give you all type of information. Yes, Priyadarshini.
Ma'am, recently, like 3 weeks ago, I had chickenpox. Okay, so the major part affected is my head and face and neck, and back of the neck. So these are the parts. See, can you see the marks?
Dry marks. Yes.
Yeah. So, will face yoga help me to overcome these, or how long it takes?
Yeah. How old are you, Priyadarshini?
I'm 32.
Oh,
32.
Okay. Oh, you're 32. Oh, you look like a teen though. And chickenpox in this age is actually a little stranger. You never got it in your childhood?
Actually, I had other kind of pox, and I like it's something different. So
Okay.
chickenpox is this is for the first time.
Yeah, definitely, because it never happens again. right? It only happens in one time in the life. Okay, see, one thing I want to tell you all, scar and marks are two different things. Okay, scar are deep tissue wound marks which goes to the deeper layer of the skin. So it is difficult to reverse the scars, especially chickenpox. I'm sorry, because I have it. I have my chickenpox marks all over the body since childhood. I got it when I was 8 years old. So those marks, scars don't go. They can be lightened with a good cream, good medicated cream, which are very, very expensive. If you can afford it, definitely they can be lightened with good skincare routine and the creams. But majorly deep tissue scars are not going anywhere. Also, if they are very, very old, it is a little difficult to remove them. If they are very recent, there are still chances to overcome and, reverse them. So we can try, definitely. Other than that, scars and marks, there is a difference. So acne marks, those black spots, these are marks. It can be gone. Scars which has gone into a deep tissue layer, like if you can see, there is a cut mark on my cheek. So this is also 35 years old.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
these are not going. Yes.
Okay. And that is the question. I just had only 3 scars. All others are marks. Okay. I had only 3 deep scars on nose and 2 on cheek. That's it. All others are only the marks. So that's what I'm worried about. If the marks goes, then I'm
Yes. Marks can be gone definitely with a proper skincare routine. Also depends on how well your skin can take the products and how well it can suit your skin. Because what happens many times, one person's skin is like very, very sensitive. No product suits it and nothing. You have to like try and test so many products, and then people go like, give up that nothing is working. So that is also there. Just for an example, my skin is very sensitive, so I can use the skincare products, but I never use the makeup. Other than lipstick and kajal, I cannot use anything on my face. The last time I did makeup was on my wedding day, 12 years back. So that is how your skin sensitivity also, speaks that what all you can use. So this is about what suits you and what works on your skin.
Okay.
Okay. And you have to stick to the then good products. Like, many times people are so restless. Oh, this product is working. Now let's try something else. So that changing of product, your skin again has to adapt and, adjust to that product, new product. So it will again take 30 more days to adjust and adapt to your skin. So that is a thing with the skin. You have to be very patient on in what you're using for a long term period. You use it and you get good skin, and then try to little bit, slowly incorporate other things in your routine. This is how we tell everyone.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Please raise your hands for more questions. For blackheads and whitehead, yes, we will tell you everything about that also. Under eye dark circle, yes, that is also included. How can we have shiny face like you? Varsha, thank you so much, but this is the light effect of my table light. But yes, my skin is also, touch wood, it's very good because I don't use makeup. Because of my sensitivity, first of all, I don't have any kind of, that makeup is something not good for the skin if you do it regularly and too much. So that, of course, is not working. So that is not on my face. So that is why my skin is good. Genetically also, my face is also good, though marks and no scars remain majorly. And shining and face, because I have a little bit of oily face. So that shine is because of the oil. And I like that shine. Some people don't like that shine because of the oil on their face. So that is a different issue. Okay, with skincare routine, you can get definitely this type of skin. And pores problem, yes, in skincare routine, major thing, because people for suffering from acne has major issue of open pores. So we will address that issue also. Okay, puffy eyes and eye bags, we have exercises and skincare routine things, products for under eyes also. Again, under eye darkness, puffy eyes, dark circles is something you have for different reasons, because of different reasons. So which can be manageable because of for the products, with the products and skincare routine. We will be telling you. If it is because of stress and sleep deprivation, nobody in the world can help you. You have to help yourself.
May I speak, ma'am?
Yes, Beth. Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I did not have the puffy's eyes and eye bag, but for the last 2 months, I have been getting, and usually it is when I get up in the morning, I get. And somewhere means I have just searched in the Google. Actually, I don't use pillow at all.
Okay. No, I also
Yeah,
don't use
so
pillow. I keep it
yeah,
on my head.
yeah,
That's
so I don't want to use any product if there is any exercise which can be cured from that, because what I use is the cold spoon, which I keep it in the fridge, and morning when I get up, I just put it. So little bit swelling, it reduces, but still it's
no,
there.
no.
So
We will try to tell you whatever problem. See, whatever with your whatever you tell us about the symptoms and about the things what you are going through, whatever I understand according to my experience, I will try to help you out with that. Otherwise, if it is a persistent problem, there are few things which cannot be addressed by a teacher. It has to be addressed by a doctor. So in that case, we try to tell you that, first you have to go to a dermatologist or some doctor and that get you tested, get yourself tested and see. Because sometimes what happens, many things are available commercially, but some products are medically there, which has to be prescribed by a doctor. It has to be taken in a dose, and only a doctor can properly examine your skin and hair and tell you what is the exact issue. So that is there. So we don't take ourselves all the responsibilities of the skin. We try to keep a doctor also involved. Other
because
than that, yeah, puffy eyes is something. What I was telling you about the drainage massage, there is something called as lymphatic fluid, which we all have in the body, and it sometimes accumulate at different places. So that also will help you. We will tell you in
because
that.
I am not using any product. I don't put up any makeup. Even I don't use foundation or primer, nothing. Just one
Right.
cream and powder I just put. Otherwise, I don't use the cosmetic at all. So
Okay.
maybe because
No,
of the
I
tension, because I have a tension in the job also. So maybe because of that. So
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. If there is
yeah.
stress and sleep deprivation, nobody can help you.
Okay, thank
Right?
you, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Any more questions? Please raise your hands. Diet for skin. Yes, we will be telling you about the nutrition. What type of nutrition you should take for the healthy body? If there is healthy body, there is healthy skin. You cannot have a proper nutrition only for the skin. You will have to have a nutrition for the healthy body. Okay, so once you get your gut clean, good intestine health, good circulation in the body, better lungs, oxygen in the body, so that is a good health and it will reflect on your skin. Right? So that is something about. Yes, Varsha, please unmute.
Ma'am, can you tell me about this collagen? Is collagen right thing, the market one, or anything home remedies we can do?
For collagen, basically, other than in place of collagen, better is to use any kind of protein powder. It's better. And other than that, definitely there is something called, whatever I told you about, some tools. So these tools help you when you massage it with these tools. They promote collagen production naturally in your skin. So rather than taking the supplements, you should try to massage more so that it increases the collagen production naturally in your skin, which tightens the skin. So there are different tools and different exercises. Tapping on your skin, which increases blood circulation, good for the muscles also. So all these things help rather than taking collagen. So collagen powders or supplements are nothing but protein powders only. There are different kinds of collagen, but mostly because I have been told by a dermatologist only that majorly more than a collagen powder, a protein or good nutrition works for the skin.
Okay.
Okay.
So basically, ma'am, whenever I try to lose my weight, I lose the skin texture. I mean, it becomes so this thing like the people will think, क्या बीमार हो गए हो, sick हो गए हो, ऐसे बोलते हैं. तो फिर वापस मैं गुस्सा आकर फिर मैं वो मोटी हो जाती हूँ.
नहीं, आपको strengthening की जरूरत है. More weight lifting and strengthening exercises which will build your muscles and proteins, of course.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So a lot of questions. Any more questions, anyone? So we stop this session today over here only, and we will start a proper session from Monday. Any more questions, anyone? We still have 5 minutes. Okay, Rajiv sir, do you have anything to say more? Hello, Rajiv sir.
Namaste to all. If you need any information, text us. We have chat for there. Okay.
Okay, so
Thanks for
he's
joining
Rajiv
us.
Kaswar, the founder of Shiv Yoga Foundation, and he's the admin of the group. So for any more details about the course, questions and everything, please text him. Okay, you will get his number on the WhatsApp group list. All right, Priya, you had some question? Priya V, you have to unmute.
So we don't have class tomorrow. It's Monday to Saturday or Monday to Friday.
It is Monday to Saturday. Please ask about that to Rajiv sir, admin.
Okay, so I thought tomorrow the classes. So when you're telling it's on Monday, so that's why I'm just double checking with you.
Yeah, please ask admin. He will be able to.
Sure, I'll do that.
Okay. Thank you everyone so much. So we'll meet you in the next session now. Everything will be put on the WhatsApp group. So please keep on checking your WhatsApp group also. Okay. Fine. Thank you so much for joining today. My name is Shachi
Thank
Khemuka. I'm
you.
signing off. Thank you so much.
Thank
Good night.
you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.